Hey guys, this is Leonard signing off, and today I'm going to show you how does blockchain work on blockchain demo. So here we're going to start off with hash first. Here we have so-called hash and data. Hash, basically what hash is, it's a fingerprint of any data. So whatever we write in the data, the hash itself is going to change accordingly to the information. So let's write my name, for example. So as you can see, while I was writing my name, the hash was changing. So whatever we write, we can put 3 dots, and the hash is going to change accordingly to the data. So basically, that's how you understand that it's a fingerprint of the data. Then we go further and we press on block. Now we have a whole block that consists of block itself, nonce, data, and also hash. Hash, let's start off with hash. Hash always has to have 4 zeros. So if it starts with 4 zeros, that means the block itself is valid, and it shows the green color here. So let's say we write any data. Let's just type anything random. As we can see, the block is not valid anymore because it turned red, and hash doesn't have 4 zeros, so meaning it's not valid. And that they're not connected. So for us to be able to get the block to be valid again, we would need to mine it. So here we have this bottom mine. We press it, and as we can see, the block is mined right now. The hash starts with 4 zeros, and the block turned green. So basically, the block is valid itself. After this, we will go to blockchain. Here we have multiple blocks that are all connected to each other. So if we, for example, decide to change the block by putting different data, so let's say we're going to change this block. We're going to type anything in it. So let's say this. As all the blocks are connected, if we change the information here, the block is not valid anymore. We have to mine it. All the blocks that go afterwards, this block it's not going to be valid too. So what we have to do right now, we have to mine the information. We press mine, and then we can see that the hash changed itself, and now the block became valid. And what we have to do with these 2 blocks, we have to also mine them in order to connect them to the previous block. So here, as we can see, everything is changed, and that's basically it. Oh, sorry. Now we're gonna go straight to distributed. It's the same thing basically, but here we have 3 types of blocks, let's say. Peer A, Peer B, and Peer C. For example, if we want to change the information, let's say in block Peer C, let's say we're going to change it here. The information also changes. Now we're going to have to mine the blocks again to make it valid. Yes, and here we are. So here we also can see that since this block has been changed, it affected the hash of the last block of Peer C. Here we can see it's different than rather this block that goes 4 zeros A4B, and it goes the same here. So this block we would not use because it's gonna use a lot of energy to use it, and we would use all 2 of these blocks here. After this, we're gonna go to token straight. Here, as you can see, we have the information. For example, from Darcy. Darcy sent $25 to Bingley, but the only issue that we have here is that we are not sure if Darcy does have $25 to send to this person here, so Bingley. After that, we're gonna go to Coinbase, and here we already see thoroughly that Andres was sent $100. So right now we know that he definitely has $100. And here we can witness what he did with this $100 is that $10, for example, he sent to Sophia, then $20 he sent to Lucas, $15 he sent to Emily, and another $15 he sent to Madison. So by this way, we can see here that he did have actually $100, and this is the proof here that he sends it to his friends, and he did own this money basically. As the same thing also here, and here also. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video.